Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're back with part 3 of the Unicorn Party Girl Tutu tutorial. This is the headpiece. Stay tuned. For this tutorial you'll need sequin fabric, felt, a headband, ribbon, a crochet top or headband, gold fabric, gold thread, tulle on the roll, a glue gun, and fur. This fur was sent to me by CNC Fabrics. The link to their website will be in the description box below. First, you'll need to trace out a pattern for 2 ears, and I will have this pattern on my website for free after this video posts. You're going to cut out 2 of these ear pieces on the felt. This is a stiffer felt. You want to use a firm felt. It works best. And then I'm using a sequin fabric. This is leftover fabric from the Tutu tutorial. After you have both of the ear cutouts glued down to the sequin fabric, you're going to cut them out. After you've cut out both ear pieces, you're going to glue them around the headband just like this. Next, you're going to cut out the center portion of the ear and glue that to the earpiece. So next we're going to prepare our gold unicorn horn, and this is a no-sew tutorial. I'm not even gonna lie, this part works best if you can sew, even if you can hand stitch, but the point of this tutorial is to show you that it can be done using your hot glue gun. So we're going to take about 4 strands of gold thread and glue that down the center, and then we're going to roll the horn over and glue it together. I've got some wax paper down here just to protect my cutting board, and you're going to turn everything right side out. And then I have some stuffing. I forgot to say that at the beginning of this tutorial, but you're going to need some stuffing. I just pulled this out of an old pillow. You just need a little bit. You're going to stuff your horn and then begin wrapping the gold thread around, not too tight, just enough to make the indentation to look like a unicorn horn. Once you've wound the string all the way to the bottom, you're just going to secure it using your hot glue gun at the base. And now, using my extra piece of crochet headband, I just used a scrap piece that was left over from the Tutu tutorial, but you can use a new headband or whatever kind of crochet piece you'd like. You just need a small piece, and we're going to apply tulle to the crochet top the same way we do with a tutu. Now don't take it all the way to the top, just at the bottom, and then I'm going to add some firmness to it by applying it to a piece of felt. Again, using my hot glue gun, I attach the tutu piece to the headband, and then I'm applying a small tuft of fur right to the headpiece. It kind of looks like a really, really cute bang. And then I am putting on the horn using the hot glue gun. Finishing touch is to add the hair bow, and this is how the finished look came out. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this 3-piece unicorn series in the comment section below. Also, if you're new, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified of the next Tutu Tuesday tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.